Welcome to this tutorial on how to print photos from the Walmart app. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, providing you with a clear understanding of how to use the app to print your favorite photos. First, you need to download and install the Walmart app on your mobile device. Once installed, open the app and navigate to the Photo section. To do this, tap on the Services tab at the bottom of the screen and select Photo. Next, select the Print Photos option and choose the type of print you want to order. You can choose from a variety of print sizes, including 4x6, 5x7, and 8x10. You can also select the finish and quantity of the prints. Now, select the photos you want to print. You can upload photos from your phone's gallery or from other sources such as Google Photos or Facebook. Once you have selected your photos, you can edit them if needed. You can crop, rotate, and adjust the brightness and contrast of the photos. After selecting and editing your photos, proceed to the checkout process. Review your order to ensure everything is correct, including the print size, quantity, and finish. You can also apply any available coupons or discounts. Finally, select your pickup location and the time you want to pick up your prints. You can choose to pick up your prints at your local Walmart store or have them mailed to your home. Once you have completed the checkout process, you will receive a confirmation email with the details of your order. Best practices to keep in mind when printing photos from the Walmart app include ensuring your photos are high resolution and in the correct format. It is also a good idea to check the prices and availability of the prints before placing your order. By following these steps and tips, you can easily print your favorite photos from the Walmart app. The app is user-friendly and convenient, allowing you to order prints from anywhere and have them ready for pickup at your local Walmart store.